I'll be showing you step by step how to compress your homepage images for your Shopify store. We'll be using a completely free tool here, and it's going to reduce our image size by up to 90%. So to start things off, let's head to our Shopify store. I'm going to go to Online Store on the left-hand side, which is going to open up my current theme. I'll hit Customize here, as we want to go and download the images we have already, and then optimize them, and then re-upload them to our site. So first off, let's head to our image banner, as this is our main image here. I'm going to click Edit. Then I can see here I can download this image. So let me download this to my desktop. So let's download this image here. I checked on my desktop. It's currently 4.6 MB, so it's quite a large image. And we want to go and optimize this. So next, let's head to a site. It's called TinyPNG.com. I'll leave a link for this in the description below, but it makes it super easy for us to optimize our images. So let me go and select that image. It's orange poles. We can see it's almost 5 MB here, and it's currently optimizing, and it's not going to take very long for this one image. So it's done. It just took a few seconds here, and it saved us a 90% file size, and it's only 490 KB now. So I'll just hover over the JPEG icon. It's going to let me download this to my desktop, and if I head back to my Shopify store, I can now select an alternative image here. Actually, that's my second image, so let's exit out of that. I'll head under my first image. I'll hover over Change, clicking that, select from Library. I can then add an image here, and I'm going to upload the one that I just optimized from TinyPNG. So if I select this now, I can click Done. And if I take a look, it basically looks the exact same. There's no real difference between the unoptimized and the optimized version. But if I click on Edit here, and if I re-download this again, I can see it's currently only 490 KB, so a significantly smaller file size than before. And so that is the overall step to optimize your images on your homepage. It's download them, upload them to TinyPNG, and then re-upload them to your Shopify store. And overall, you should do it for your banner images if you're running any collection images. And you could do it individually as well for your product images, but there are plenty of apps on the Shopify App Store that let you bulk optimize your product images, but overall, a very easy process. And it's going to save your customers time, as it's not going to take the website as long to load. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it can be to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor ProfitCalc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can truly understand your store's performance, letting you make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many cost of goods sold providers, giving you real-time analytics and tons of different metrics so you can understand everything about your store, which is absolutely crucial in industries such as e-commerce where there are pretty tight margins. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. I'll leave a link in the description below to the app listing directly. You can also search for it on the Shopify App Store by searching ProfitCalc and then looking for this logo in the top left here. So make sure you check that out with the 15-day free trial. So that is how you compress images on your Shopify homepage using a completely free website. It can help reduce your file size by up to 90%, and it's great for search engine optimization as well as the overall customer experience, as it's not going to take them as long to load your homepage. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.